Okay, let's dive straight into this explainer, where we are unpacking a really fun, highly effective programming hack that completely shifts the learning curve for beginner developers. If you have ever found yourself just staring blankly at endless lines of broken code, well, you are absolutely in the right place. So, ever struggle to learn programming? Yeah, literally all of us have. Learning to code often feels like trying to decipher some sort of alien language, especially when your builds simply will not compile. But the source we're looking at today outlines a perspective shift that makes the whole process significantly smoother. Starting off with Section 1, the learning struggle and navigating student tech life. You know that trapped feeling, right? Getting totally bogged down in the universal programming struggle, feeling overwhelmed and just glaring at error logs? But the real goal here is picking up coding much faster. And what's fascinating is that students can successfully transition from sheer frustration to rapid comprehension just by adopting one incredibly simple shift in mindset. Moving right along to Section 2, unlocking complex skills, or as I like to call it, the core insight. Okay, so basic syntax. By definition, it's the fundamental rules for structuring code. Now, I know, it is so incredibly tempting to just speed past these basics so you can get to the flashy, complex algorithms. But our source emphatically points out that hyper-focusing on these foundational rules, things like unmatched brackets or basic variable declarations, is the exact key to getting unstuck. In fact, there's this great quote from the source. It unlocks complex coding skills quickly. Honestly, that hits the nail on the head. By mastering simple syntax, you're building the exact scaffolding you need for advanced development. You aren't slowing down by reviewing the basics. You are laying down a fast track. This foundational knowledge is literally the engine for accelerated learning. All right, let's look at Section 3, the simplification approach and visualizing the fix. So, step 1, you identify a tricky bug. Naturally, the first instinct is to completely panic and rewrite an entire block of code, right? Well, actually, scratch that. Try isolating the issue. Step 2 is to rewrite just one single line. By applying a firm understanding of basic syntax to simplify one specific line, you eliminate the extra variables, pinpoint the error, and boom! Step 3, you save yourself hours of frustration. And this specific trick doesn't exist in a vacuum either. If you look at community trends like hashtag coding tips, programming life, student tech, learn coding, developer, and tech trends, you'll see thousands of developers actively engaging with this exact back to basics philosophy. It's absolutely a shared approach among the most efficient learners out there. Because ultimately, this small change saves hours of frustration. Seriously, try it today. It is such a highly actionable takeaway. You don't need to download fancy new software or learn an entirely new language. You just need to simplify your approach right now and watch all that frustration just melt away. Which brings us to Section 4, join the conversation and your next steps. The source leaves us with a really fun prompt. Show us your favorite coding hack. Because let's be real, programming is inherently a massive communal effort, and the absolute best developers learn from each other's successes and failures. So definitely share your own tips in the comments. So I want to leave you with this final thought. What basic syntax rule will you master today to simplify your next tricky bug? Seriously, don't run from the basics, embrace them, because I guarantee your next major breakthrough is likely hiding right inside a simple syntax rule. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and happy coding.